Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing fantastic. Today I have a couple of kids with me. As you can see, we are walking in the morning after morning prayer. So I will ask them some simple question, as I'm teaching them English. So first I'll ask you, okay? What's your name?
My name is Tawhid.
Wow, what accent. And how old are you?
I am 14 years old.
That's great. What grade are you in now?
I'm in class 7.
Wow. Do you like any sports?
Yeah, I like football.
Wow. It's very good in English, as you can see. And I will ask you again, okay? So, what's your name?
My name is Limon.
Wow, okay. And how old are you?
I am 15 years old.
Okay. And what grade are you in now?
I am in class 9.
Oh, he's class 9. He's a little guy, but he's in class 9. And do you like any sports?
I like football.
Oh, you also like football. Actually, we are all fan of football. So I'm just teaching them simple sentences. Gradually they will learn more. So till now, have a good day.